Hey, ever wondered how camping boxes are made? Today's your chance. I'm gonna take you through our flip company and show you how and where camping boxes are made and all things behind the scenes. So come on in. So everything starts here. When your order comes in, our head of the office takes care of it. She prepares all the papers for the production and communicates all the details, and also the development is done here. We adjust all the camping boxes or adventure beds if you want so, or develop new products. And let's not forget about the real boss. This is our office dog Zuzha, and she takes care of security and doubles as a doorbell. Let's go to the production where all the magic happens. So first we cut aluminum poles in the proper pieces, we drill holes and prepare everything for structural elements. In the meanwhile, we start working with woods. We cut wooden panels into proper pieces. So when everything is finished here, we move these parts to the CNC machine. Here, all the wooden parts are cut precisely to fit each flip model. After CNC machine, we take care of the details like sanding, milling, and so on. Once all parts are ready, we move to assembly. Here, all parts come together: drawers, water system, and structural elements. Although we check everything in assembly, the final quality control happens here in the warehouse. The products are cleaned and prepared for you. After cleaning, all the units are carefully packed together with accessories, so we make sure it arrives safely to your address. From here, the package is picked up by our logistics partner and ships directly to you. Although the installation of Flip is super easy, if you decide to come and pick it up in person, we are happy to install it for you, explain you all the details, and chat about your next adventures. So this is our showroom. If you visit us, you can feel the mattresses, test the product, see what suits you best, and pop up all your questions. We are here for you. Your next adventure waits for you. And remember, if you go, you have a story.